The Give Me 10 community section is a dynamic source for sharing information to get past a tricky spot, spark ideas, and get new tips and tricks. The library is a collection of all the goals members have reached through the Goal Tracker. Browse the library for goal ideas, see members' work plans, and see how long it took them to reach their goals. The blog shares creative ways to look at our days and use our time to our best advantage. In the blog, I take what experts are saying about time, efficiency, creativity, etc., and put a 10-minute spin on it. And finally, the forum section is a place for members to ask questions and share advice with one another. Visit the forum if you're stuck and need advice, or to share a tip you learned working through one of your goals.